Yeah, let go. I lost a lot of homies to the street. Feels like I'm the only one left. I chose to go down a good road. Wish I had my niggas with me. Lost two homies same year, same month. I had to smoke two blunts and pop some pills to get head over here. Shit, bills came in. I said fuck 'em, cause I'm thinking about going back to hustling. Tell them pussy niggas bust at me. Hit me 5 times. What's the story? Everybody said, but I'm still here 10 toes down. Saying fuck all y'all, cause I'm still happy. I'ma end you before you end me. I love my life, but still see my homie soul in the night light. I try to push it out, but it keeps coming up. I think it won't forgive me, cause they know I killed the niggas who hit them up straight up. I'm about mine. Then, hey, yeah, get it, bruh.
Hey man, this that New Young Drama, man. This that Feel My Pain. Y'all niggas don't feel my pain right now, man. Shout out to my dead cousins, man. Chris, Dion, Leroy, man. All y'all, man. I love y'all, man. I'm holding this thing down for y'all boys right now. I love y'all. My grandmas, everybody that know died in my life, man. This is a shout out to y'all. We doing this right here for y'all. We love y'all, man.
Yeah, man, that goes out to my boy B Murder, Cheese, my cousin JP, man, my homeboy Quan, y'all rest in peace, man. I'm doing it for my auntie, man, my grandma, my granddad, man, everybody who I lost in the struggle, man. Fuck with me.
Feel my pain, niggas.